Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video I will discuss you the important tips you need to remember in your Ccma subject before the examination. Okay, so what are the important tips? I hope that you have watched every video in our channel, explanation video, quick revision, paper pattern, everything I have uploaded regarding this Ccma. So before the examination you need to remember some important tips in your, especially for Ccma subject. In this video we will discuss it. Okay, mainly 4 things you need to remember in this Ccma subject when you are attempting your examination of your final. So this is the thing you need to understand, you need to follow, you need to remember these tips before the examination. So what are the tips? First one, black pen, hand calculator. What akka, what is this? I know that we need to use calculator, we need to use, yes, you need to use it, but still I am remembering. This is one of the main thing. Again and again and again students are asking in the comment box, what happened if you use blue pen? What happened if you use blue pen? No, don't use blue pen. Even the blue pen is also, like, you can use it, but my preference, my suggestion, if you want to get a good correction, good evaluation, means it's your responsibility to follow certain things. No, use black pen. Calculator compulsory. So some of the students, what they will think means they will do the hand calculation. Am a hand calculation, I will do it. Don't do that. Compulsory calculation use cheyandi. Okay na? And second one thing is formulas you need to remember. Formulas and proformas. So because out of 80 marks, 45 to 50 marks will be allotted to the formulas and proformas only. Even you observe it, chapter 1 mein proformas you are having, in chapter 3 you are having proforma, chapter 1 formulas you are having, yes, formula based problematic only you are having. So out of 80 marks, nearly 50 marks they will give it for the formula and proforma only. How students are able to draw the proforma before the examination, before 2 to 3 hours before the examination, just revise your proformas, what you are having in the debit side, what you are having in the credit side, how we are calculating, what are the columns you are having in this. This is very much important, because formulas and proformas you are not able to write it by your own. No, it is standard as it is, whatever you are having in your material, like that only you need to write it, yes or no. That's why proformas and formulas just by heart before the examination. And the third one is theoretical answers. What is this theoretical answers? Means attempting answers confidently without doing strike-offs, without even hesitating of writing 3 sides of your answers. If you are attempting 12 marks a theory question, means 3 sides compulsory. Don't forget it. Don't forget this. Okay, front, back and front, 3 sides must and should. You need to write it at any cost. See, my simple thing, whether you know or don't know the answer also, just give an attempt. How much you are capable of having the knowledge about the particular topic, just put on the paper. Because I can assure that the students who are prepared 100%, the students who are having knowledge about the problematic thing, they can able to write theory questions also. Give equal preference to theory, because this is the last semester. So what are the question paper is there in? Nearly 45% to 50%, half of the paper you are getting theory also. One theory, one problematic, one theory, one problematic, one theory, one problematic. Because what university will think means they need to pass regular students of 6th semester. They need to pass the students. So that's why they will give equalable chance to this theoretical answers also. And the last one and the important one is attempt every question. Attempt 5 long, 5 short. Either it might be problematic or theoretical answers. Compulsory 5 long, 5 short. You need to attempt it at any cost. In the 3 hours of your duration, you need to attempt 5 long and 5 short. Don't time is not sufficient, I am unable to write. Some of the students, what they will do means, if they don't know the answer, they will not write it. But my suggestion is, if you don't know the answer, just write it. Whatever you are understanding by seeing the question, how much you are understanding, that you put it on the paper. These 4 important tips is there in the Ccma subject. I hope that you have got clarity. So because I have personally experienced about these 4 things, so just follow these 4 things. It will be helpful for you to easily pass in the subject, and you can easily get good grades in your CCMA subject. Okay, I hope that you have got clarity. If you have any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination and preparation. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.